Tuko filing season, the most dramatic time of the year.
Piga yobo!
Ati file and pay. Me you was any stress. Set a deadline ni June 30th.
Sio extend. Sindio?
Kwani kuna kulipa?
Kufile ni kitu moja, kulipa ni ingine, na lazima upande zote.
Simi nadhani hiyo ni ya watu wenye wanafanya kwa maofisi. Ai wewe acha kunienjoy wewe. Mimi niko jua kali.
Usipolipa, unachapa mapenzi kila mwezi.
Hakuna kitu ni stress kama kufanya tax returns na kulipa kodi. I'll get somebody else to do it for me.
Last year I filed babe. Kwanza mapema. I filed it on June 29.
Lakini ukulipa, ndio wana uchapo mafanya.
Hi babe. Kwani whose side are you on?
Nilisha file na nikalipa kitambo for my salo na pia my side hustle. Hata ni rahisi.
Round hii, make sure umefile returns. Na ya maana zaidi, umelipa. Jijue, halafu jibeta.
Mugasomi ya umwancho murigiriria ogetembe TV na kwariganiria asikionga chinsa isano na ibiri chabo no mugaso lituko rietichi kane chitariki 15 na isato karibu sana tunyarako ya sangali agendereza kurwa sebi nyoroime na kubwa muno kurwa ase serikali enene nchi nkorko Matilda Waigwa sangana nje ase umutandao Facebook na umutandao ulio YouTube ya masemo na Getembe TV nana kirongo chake kionga chinsa isano na ibiri kuchaka kurwa ase ekenyoro kia Nyankongo hiyo kutoka imemo chobosongo wadi ya Kitutu Central Kitutu Chache South me iye county ya Kisii asibono moswati we miaka 20 na kianda onanyare kupekwa biara magiga yugo kagerwa kurusia obolito we metinyi 5 na kulengana no mwamate oye oimemo no niganyare kwarabuna moswati oyo nigo ikiranitege koro ikyo litukurigoro chinsa chamargoba engana bono yatigire obwobo na boigo moichano omonene ase bono yanyarete konyorekana buna mwana uyo niganyarete kurutwa ase engoro yeke bara na chinga kecho nigobona basubati baboligwe buna banyare utumeka chinjira chekerero utanga oroboro kobwa goita abana chingaki babugoletie emesigo
lakini achiri komurekana rori ro mwana urimi uyingi na gotebi njembara ntebi ngoika ngina kamotebi bakagenda bakarora na ngina kere barora na ngina umwana uri agacha nyumba yana nakandangiri baba nchuorore ngacha kere nata bakagenda ni tochi mbabu ate tochi bakumurika nchuorore njuko chechoga bakamurika guchime kere bamurika guchime ligere mama ngikeri kerali ngamate yayo uri no umwana ina baro akore to koboko gukumi akitindo chekingo kwana kamora ancha baminto mwana yekana chete kumurigere linkaramba sare timo bole tikende yonse nali nagenda toka mumaga katata moine jire senza ibere nenusu nali eli akere to mwana nde yani mugambye simu nchenka imo kanga genda ngaganta igenda baka get bot police kachiwa ke sabu ngarra ncheno moise kona nto konyara goika police bono mbutu kutwachi goitunchira tokaira na baka na kaimo gete chinsa 10 na ikire nyanjwa nalia serikali ya chire ankonyire kene tindo chingo mwana yega kore kya kore tane kebe na ende kebe gaki igantigira abana na ende ntagete iga gaki abaminto umuntu yo mwete liyo gakanyu era amoteba tenga ngo mwete liyo geli
Mugano oraletera senjera yobwikirano buna chinga kichigenderete gusukana bwigo botuki ekirobo chagete kigima mwancho murigere gutigana nayo mukonyi bw'umurai w'ikiama gya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigagikiri ubusagani bwabere bukonekewa ase chinsemo na bwigo bw'echingencho kubwa munoga kumurikira ubusagani bwakorekana miyo muchio Nairobi ase kanisa ya All Saints Cathedral asate biruna gwetira ase ubusare buno bwiga gusugutumika abasae gutumika buna emeuni kusalia gusuguturubania omorembe meyense negative bintu biria bigendete gusalia elieta riense ya Kenya na bwiga gutabuna eyo erairere no onye guselia abagani bari barigetie gukorera ubunchuriria guseko baba bwatani wechingenjo ime yense ya Kenya nengana agikeire na bwigo asinsemo yendeka kubura buna serikali ne bonete gutena bukongo na kwenekeria abakenya oborendi asinchira engikirano.
How is it? Just ask yourself a very basic question. All Saints Cathedral is in the capital city of our country. How can people beat up thugs, criminals, beat up people even into All Saints Cathedral in the capital city of our country? How can that happen? I don't understand whether our leaders have a sense of shame. No, it is very humiliating for our country to see those kinds of things we are seeing. Because we can have political differences will not end, even after the elections next year. We are a democracy. We will always argue. We will always have differences of opinion. But we should manage ourselves responsibly. That is not the way to manage a country. Now we are scaring investors. We are scaring people who like to put resources in our country. How on earth are we going to generate employment if we don't manage these things? And you cannot tell me, I have been a minister of security, you cannot tell me that the elaborate security infrastructure we have in the country does not know what is going on. Somebody is looking the other way. And that nonsense is going on around. So what Kenya needs, and I keep going back to this, and as Kenyans we go to elections next year, what this country needs is decisive courage to clean up this mess so that our country goes back to what it's supposed to be. Because in this day and age, how can you have people with rungus running around in the capital city of our country? And how do you hope to attract investors and people to come and put resources in your country, visitors, and so on? And what crime have they done? Just to discuss a bill, which is before Parliament, that is going to their elected representatives. I mean, even if you have serious problems with comprehension, don't you see we have a problem? And that's why we are saying that I want us to go over these things very slowly.
Mwanzo murigereria abo bwatani na kubo muno bali bakurigia amabaga ya uburai asebirugo na neno muno kurase county ya Kajiado bakurase kiama gya Jubilee nigobono abo igobanyare kuboria buna obutoereru bwenekiwe asemerengo yonsi ya egesiasa na sebatabiruna obusalia na bwigo obutoereru guturubanirwa asichinsemo negative bintu biri bikoroke buna obosiburi bwa Kenya nigo bukunererirwa engana bagikere na gutabuna ekiama gya Jubilee niko kigenderete ko baso mustari obosio elio kwenekia buna omorembe oenekiwe chinsemo chionsime yense ya Kenya.
Siku ya leo tumeungana hapa kama wagombea wa viti tofauti tofauti katika kaunti ya Jubilee. Tumekuja hususan kuweza kujipanga kuweza kufungua ofisi yetu ya Jubilee ambayo itakafunguliwa tarehe 22 mwezi ujao. Tumekuja kujipanga kama wagombea na basi kama wale ambao wanaendesha chama wagombea.
Saa hii Jubilee iko tayari na tuko mbele pamoja na tumeamua kwamba leo kila kiti ambayo wa aspirants wetu wataenda kugombea kutoka ward mpaka national tutadeliver. Hapa Kajiado tutadeliver every seat kuanzia MCA, MP pamoja na women rep.
We have said this country is very precious to all Kenyans. We want to stop this politics of Gwinism in the country. We want them to be dealt with to make sure that we use the official method of safeguarding issues or interests. We want to say what they did at All Saints Cathedral is not acceptable to people of this country and Kajiado in particular.
Jambo naweza ambia vijana wasikubali kutumika wakati huu. Tumeona kila mahali wametumika, lakini saa hii tunasema weka safety yako kwanza. Wewe jua Kenya unataka, tunataka uongozi bora na italetwa na Gunizi.
Agotigana na yumo gavana bwe kaunti ya Nairobi Moske Johnson Atha Sakaja niganyari koroka wosio we bunge ye senate we kamatiri ye senate ekurigereria amangana ye budget ase ense ya Kenya na chinga kicho niganyari kwiraniria amaborio anamono ase merobirio yokwena na chikonda kurwasa mwaka 2022 gwikiraboniga ase serikali ye kaunti ya Nairobi maborio agendete kubwatoka machivu anamono gochase kiombe kiria ya Procurement and Regulatory Authority PPRA na nigo veiriga kweruna na kichikonda cha veriti kwenano ase serikali ye county uchase abanyakonda ona boigo kwena kiabuna obwene bwabere buko ikiraniwa ase emeroberio yo.
Financial year 22-23 procurement plan not uploaded, no information availed on AGPO, termination and variation of contracts and direct procurement. Chair, during that financial year 22-23, the county government of Nairobi was undergoing an institutional transition, during which key governance structures, including the appointment of accounting officers for respective sectors, were being finalized. This affected the timely consolidation and upload of some procurement planning and reporting documents. The county consolidated procurement plan was subsequently finalized and uploaded. Upon completion of the transition process, we've attached Appendix 1. With regard to AGPO, access to government procurement opportunities, the required reporting was undertaken and the relevant schedule is provided for reference. Again, Appendix 1I. During the period under review, there was one procurement termination and the relevant schedule is attached, Chair. That is Appendix 2. There were no contract variations undertaken during the financial year 22-23. In addition, there was one instance of direct procurement during the period under review, and the relevant documentation is attached.
Na ensemo yabataneneri kurase bunge enene bakura wano yoro munyakerugo we committee yo kurigiriria amangana yobutumiki wechibesa na bwigo kwekirania emerobulia se bunge ni yo manyakanete na omoske kimani kuria ni gobono banyare ko erabuna serikali techieti komenta chibango chinya ase chi sector ao echi chabiri chiko yora liberera ase abakenya na akago kwanira guseko gayana higati ya mangana alia letiro muchando se finance bill yo mwaka 2026 nigo bono kimani kuria anyarire ko erabuna serikali nigo eligetie ko ene kyabuna wakenya tibaraba bakunerirwa kwetira sokomento kwebango.
We want to thank all the members of the public that came before the Commission of Finance and National Planning. They submitted more than 100,000 submissions, whose concordium we have compiled here, and which we have given individual reply to all those Kenyans that give their views. For the matters that are in public debates, one, on the issue of mobile phones. Yes, there are so many phones that in the market that have not been paid for taxes. Yes, the proposal in the bill would have led to a reduction on the tax paid on phones, but we disagree with the National Treasury on payment of tax upon activation. So the status quo on how phones are charged tax remains, and we urge now that there will be systems in place to make sure that that mobile phones that are imported in the country without paying the required taxes, they administratively find a way of capturing those instead of burdening the taxpayer with extra responsibilities. Number two, on the issue of Mitumba, we have had extensive public participation, and we want to guarantee the members of the public that there is no any imposed taxation on Mitumba. So ignore all the propaganda or all the misinformation and disinformation that there is added taxation on Mitumba. The third matter is on rental income tax. We have heard people say that there is increase in taxation for rental income. We want to guarantee the country that there is no any increased taxation on rental income. What is happening now, as currently in the law, any tenant whose landlord is a non-resident person is required to withholding tax and remit to KRA.
mwancho muligirire abono nkora butorera ama ya ikionga chinse isano nebere kurende tubasogoska tobe tukumirana nabo igoko yasanga sinchira ire ya bene kuraga chinsa ikomi nabo igoko kenda kuyanyora yona na mange ase mitandao yeito yekerero ya Facebook nabo geri ya YouTube Getembe TV nabo igoko nabo ogotonyora buna Getembe TV and FM so mutandao ulionde o Facebook nabo igoko umutandao o TikTok kuru kwa Matilda obaigwa gendera kuligereria Getembe TV na kubwa mono umurobelio rasoe asembeo umurobelio o Vibes on Vibes kurose studio ya kabere nere Eugene Matogo.